this tutorial, I will guide you how to delete your DStv stream account. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Now, on a mobile phone or PC, just go to dstv.stream. Once you visit this website, make sure to log in into your account that you want to delete. Once you log in, just click here at the top right corner, and then you'll see your profile. Just go on settings, and then on settings, you'll see my privacy. Scroll down, you'll see erase your data, and it says here DStv stream and box office. This process will automatically delete your DStv stream and box office data. If you have an active subscription, someone will be in contact with you. You will be asked to accept the terms and conditions again if you decide to subscribe to DStv streams and box office in the future. So again, if you want to delete, just select here delete data. They'll ask you, this process will automatically delete your DStv streaming and box office data, including your accounts. If you currently have an active subscription, someone will be in contact with you. So if you still want to delete, just select here delete data. If you want to cancel request, just select here cancel request. So that's how you can delete your DStv stream account. Thanks so much for watching this video, and see you next time.